Welcome to The Park Films, where we talk about all the information you need about roller coasters and more. Today, we will be going over the history of the Six Flags Great Adventure McDonald's, the first McDonald's at a Six Flags park located at Great Adventure. So we're going to get started right away.
Here's a thrilling offer. Visit any McDonald's right now and get valuable coupons for great savings on admission to any Six Flags theme park. Whoa! And for every coupon you redeem, Six Flags will make a donation to Ronald McDonald Children's Charities. So hurry to McDonald's! Whoa!
For Great Adventure, 1994 was a big update in store, changing over to a McDonald's restaurant. This was one of the first name-brand restaurants in the park, serving a limited selection of the famous McDonald's hamburgers, McNuggets, and French fries. As a McDonald's location, the restaurant was only open in the peak season, generally Memorial Day to Labor Day, and while it was popular, there were many complaints about the pricing. While guests expect higher food pricing inside a theme park, having a real basis of comparison, especially when McDonald's was just down the street, made the pricing differences too clear. So after 10 seasons, the McDonald's was closed. At the end of the 2003 season, the signature removed, the restaurant sat unused, at least the point of the sale, though the park's food service team has used the building for storage and preparation of food. During the time, the kitchen was used for the park vendors of popcorn and cotton candy, and food and drinks were prepared inside, though not sold through the service windows. Like I said before, the prices were higher than normal McDonald's, probably to keep things in line with the park's other offerings. Otherwise, everyone would be eating McDonald's. The cost of small fry was at the price of a large fry outside the park, and a regular hamburger was similar price to a quarter pounder or a Big Mac. There definitely wasn't a $1 menu. They didn't even offer Happy Meals, and McDonald's was the main guys who sold Happy Meals. And the contract was over in 10 years, so that's another reason why they closed. The only possible way McDonald's can return is if you make it reasonable. They need to keep the prices reasonable. Maybe not the dollar menu, but I would agree with the $2 menu, an express-style menu with value meals only, and nothing over $7. Before McDonald's, you had in 1974 the Tower of Pizza, in 1975 the Bandstand Cafe, in 1976 through 1977 the Bandstanza, in 1978 through 1985 you had the Bandstanza Hamburgers, in 1986 through 1988 you had the Bandstanza Hamburgers and Pizza. In 1989 through 1990, the Bandstanza Burgers and Roast Beef Sandwiches. In 1991 through 1993, you had the Bandstanza Jumbo Hot Dogs. Now, like we're talking about now, you have in 1994 through 2003, the McDonald's. In 2004, standing but not operating. In 2005, the Showtime Cafe. In 2006, and today you have Looney Tunes Camp Kitchen. I think Great Adventure deserves another chance to get a 10-year contract with McDonald's, because look at the way things are operating at Six Flags Great Adventure today. New paint, new atmosphere, new look. I think Great Adventure can bring back McDonald's into a better operating, and maybe make the prices better, and then you can operate McDonald's back at Great Adventure once again. And make sure to subscribe to get all the information you need about roller coasters and more. And like that video so we can keep making more videos and have a Six Flags day. Choo-choo, bye.